Hi. So I made it home. Um, and you'll be seeing in this video some clips that I took. I'm still not a good YouTuber. I keep forgetting to have my camera ready to film good places. I'm still kind of a mess from the trip. It was hot in some of the places and I didn't sleep too good. I slept good when I slept. It seemed like I crashed out or I woke up for some odd reason. But it was a beautiful place. I hope you enjoy all the clips that I will include in this video. And I drove right through a town called Tres Pinos. And literally, it was that small that by the time I realized I was driving through it, it was too late to turn my camera on. That's how small it was, and it's a cute little old town, so Google it. You'll probably find out all you want to know about it. It's on the way back towards Santa Cruz from the Pinnacles. Man, I'm tired. Like my brain is like, woo. I don't know what inspires me to do this, because every time I do this I am so tired and wiped out and sore, and it's like now I'm gonna have to spend the rest of today and tomorrow recovering and needing a vacation from my vacation, right? So so that starts now. So by the time you see this, it'll probably be days after my trip, and but I want to share it with all of my followers, subscribers, and people who maybe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It really helps inspire me to make a better channel. I've been kind of disenchanted with the YouTube thing. It just seems like it's going so slow. I was started to kind of give up a little bit. So I could really use some support and more people supporting my channel. I'm planning a trip up to Oregon on Amtrak. That's going to be another video that I'm hoping to do. The trip is somewhat tentative. My mom's been sick. Well, she's not sick, but she has some heart issues, and we're getting that figured out. So I'm not quite 100% sure I'm going to go to Oregon for Thanksgiving week, but if I do, I'm going to share it with all of you. So hit the notification bell, subscribe so you get notified when I post new videos. I'm probably going to be slowing down a bit now. It's the holidays. There's going to be more family and other people. And like this trip, my camp buddy, and that's all I can say about that person. I can't identify who they are or anything, because I really don't like being on the internet much. And yeah, so this person actually, I accidentally got them for a few seconds in one of my videos of the Pinnacles, and I noticed that the person backed away from the range of my cell phone, which is very indicative that she doesn't want to be filmed. So anyway, enjoy my video. And like I said, if you are inclined to support my channel, I would really appreciate it. Apparently the likes help also. It helps YouTube decide if my video is worth sharing with more people, if people like and comment. So if you could hit the subscribe and the notification and like and comment. I have to put my brain back together now. So I will be talking to you again soon. Okay, so coffee and breakfast is done, I have to clean up my dishes. But I am in the van and I am cleaning up. I've already got the bed kind of made up. I'm in the process of picking out my clothes and not quite done with the potty. And I got some things to put away. And we're going to get on the road today. Head back to Santa Cruz. But first, I think we're going to stop at a park that's about 2 miles up the road. So I'll share some of my getting ready to go with you, and then we'll hit the road. So, but right now I'm going to get dressed, so I'm not sharing that with you. But I will be back on when I'm done. We're packing up some more, so here it is.
No, no, come here.